Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here, and today we're diving into the world of PiNetwork. PiNetwork is a cryptocurrency project that aims to make mining accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires massive computing power, Pi can be mined on your smartphone. This approach attracted millions of users, creating a buzz around its potential. However, PiNetwork's journey hasn't been without its bumps. The project faced significant challenges, particularly during its recent migration to the Mainnet, its own blockchain. Let's break down what happened, how PiNetwork responded, and what it means for the future of this ambitious project. We'll also look at the impact on PiCoin, its price fluctuations, and its presence on cryptocurrency exchanges. Buckle up, it's going to be an interesting ride. PiNetwork was created by a team of Stanford graduates who envisioned a more inclusive cryptocurrency ecosystem. Their goal was to democratize access to cryptocurrency, allowing anyone with a smartphone to participate in the mining process. This has led to a vibrant community of users who are passionate about the project and its potential to change the financial landscape. The team behind PiNetwork is continuously working on improving the app and adding new features to enhance user experience. As the network grows, so does the excitement and anticipation for what comes next. So stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of PiNetwork, its community, and its future developments. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started and see what PiNetwork has to offer. Migrating a massive user base to a new blockchain is no easy feat, and PiNetwork's experience proved just that. The initial migration phase was met with technical difficulties, causing frustration among users eager to access their Pi coins on the mainnet. Many users reported issues with the KYC, Know Your Customer verification process, a crucial step for security and regulatory compliance. The transition from a third-party KYC provider to PiNetwork's own system caused delays and errors. This bottleneck left many feeling stuck, unable to complete their migration. Faced with mounting pressure and user frustration, the PiNetwork team went into problem-solving mode. They acknowledged the issues publicly and issued several updates outlining their plan to address the migration problems. The team extended the migration deadline multiple times to give users ample opportunity to complete the process. They also worked tirelessly to resolve technical glitches and improve the KYC system's efficiency. Transparency and communication were key during this period, with the PiNetwork team regularly updating users on their progress. The migration fixes implemented by the PiNetwork team had a noticeable impact. While the exact number of successful migrations is difficult to ascertain, it's clear that a significant portion of the user base managed to move their Pi coins to the Mainnet. This in turn brought the Mainnet closer to its intended functionality. With more users onboarded, the Mainnet could start processing transactions and supporting the development of decentralized applications, or dApps. Although challenges remained, this marked a crucial step towards PiNetwork's goal of building a vibrant ecosystem. Section 5. PiCoin's price rollercoaster, volatility and exchange listings. The PiNetwork migration saga had a significant impact on PiCoin's price. When the migration process began, many investors were uncertain about the future of PiCoin. This uncertainty led to a lot of speculation and, consequently, significant price fluctuations. As with any cryptocurrency, uncertainty can lead to volatility, and PiCoin was no exception. The initial migration issues caused concern among investors, leading to a dip in its price. This was a critical period for PiCoin as it tested the resilience of its community and the robustness of its technology. The initial migration issues caused concern among investors, leading to a dip in its price. Many investors were worried that the technical issues might be a sign of deeper problems within the PiNetwork. However, the team behind PiCoin worked diligently to address these issues. However, as the PiNetwork team addressed the problems and more users migrated, the price stabilized. The resolution of these issues restored confidence among investors, leading to a gradual recovery in PiCoin's price. This period highlighted the importance of effective communication and problem-solving in maintaining investor trust. The listing of PiCoin on several smaller exchanges also contributed to its price movements. These listings provided more avenues for trading, which increased liquidity and helped stabilize the price. Smaller exchanges often serve as a testing ground for new cryptocurrencies, allowing them to build a track record before being considered by larger platforms. While major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase have yet to list PiCoin, its presence on platforms like xt.com and Huobi provided more trading opportunities and liquidity. These platforms allowed a broader audience to access PiCoin, further contributing to its market presence and price stability. The journey of PiCoin is a testament to the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market and the importance of adaptability and resilience. Section 6. The Voice of the Pioneers, Community Feedback and Reactions. The PiNetwork community, affectionately known as pioneers, played a crucial role throughout the migration process. Their feedback, both positive and negative, provided valuable insights for the PiNetwork team. While many expressed frustration and disappointment with the initial migration issues, they also acknowledged the team's efforts to rectify the situation. The community's active engagement highlights the passion and belief in PiNetwork's vision. Their feedback continues to shape the project's development, emphasizing the importance of community involvement in the world of decentralized technologies. Section 7. The Path Forward. Challenges and Opportunities for PiNetwork. Having navigated the turbulent waters of Mainnet migration, PiNetwork faces a new set of challenges and opportunities. One of the most pressing issues is the development of a thriving ecosystem. While the Mainnet lays the foundation, the success of PiNetwork hinges on its ability to attract developers and foster the creation of useful and engaging dApps. Another challenge is achieving widespread adoption. While PiNetwork boasts a large user base, converting them into active participants within the ecosystem remains crucial. This involves building trust, ensuring security, and demonstrating the tangible benefits of using PiCoin in everyday life. Section 8. PiNetwork's Future, a Balancing Act. PiNetwork's future hinges on its ability to strike a balance between ambition and execution. The project's vision of creating an inclusive and accessible cryptocurrency is commendable. However, translating this vision into reality requires a sustained effort to address technical challenges, foster community trust, and deliver on its promises. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, with new projects and innovations emerging regularly. PiNetwork needs to adapt and innovate to remain relevant and competitive. This involves actively listening to its community, exploring strategic partnerships, and continuously improving its technology. Section 9. Conclusion. PiNetwork, a work in progress. PiNetwork's journey is a testament to the challenges and opportunities that come with building a cryptocurrency project from the ground up. From its inception, the project has aimed to create a decentralized digital currency that is accessible to everyone. This ambitious goal has required a lot of innovation, dedication, and hard work from its developers and community members. The Mainnet migration, while bumpy, marked a significant milestone in its evolution. This transition was not without its challenges, but it demonstrated the resilience and determination of the PiNetwork team. They faced numerous technical hurdles and community concerns, yet they persevered, showing their commitment to the project's long-term vision. As PiNetwork moves forward, its ability to learn from its experiences, adapt to the changing landscape, and deliver on its promises will determine its ultimate success. The team is constantly iterating on their technology and strategies, taking feedback from the community to improve the platform. This iterative process is crucial for any tech project, especially one as ambitious as PiNetwork. The project's commitment to accessibility and user-friendliness has the potential to onboard millions into the world of cryptocurrency. By making it easy for anyone to participate, regardless of their technical expertise, PiNetwork is lowering the barriers to entry and democratizing access to digital currency. This inclusivity is one of the project's most compelling features. However, it's crucial to remember that PiNetwork, like any ambitious project, is a work in progress. There are still many challenges to overcome, and the road ahead is long and uncertain. The team must continue to innovate, address security concerns, and build trust within the community to ensure the project's success. Only time will tell if it can live up to its full potential. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, and PiNetwork must stay agile and responsive to changes in the market and technology. The project's future depends on its ability to navigate these challenges and seize new opportunities as they arise. This is MKBHD signing out.